Everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're a part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. Okay? You just need to hit that red subscribe button. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving Eve. We need to close out this budget, right? Because we just got paid. It's Wednesday night. Just got paid. Actually, I got paid Wednesday morning. Shout out to my payroll girl. Okay, big shout out to you, Keisha. Keisha is the best ever. The girl was sick. And I mean sick, last week to this week. But guess who got paid? Me and everybody else. Nija, that was a shout out to you. She had a story time, y'all. Y'all gotta check out Budgeting the Bacon. She's got a good video out. It's a story time about how they didn't get paid. I'm like, bro, if I woke up one morning to an email that said I wasn't getting paid, we're fighting. Where's my money? Take my earrings out, put my hair in a ponytail. We're scrapping. What are we doing? And Lord knows that's not the correct answer or the correct heart posture. Forgive me. But my initial feelings was going to be, let's fight. However, Holy Spirit, bring it back. So let's go into closing out this budget because I am grateful, gang, y'all, that we got a paycheck. Okay, amen. So let me move my little self up here and let's get the budgeting. We're on our November 2nd paycheck that we're budgeting out. We have everything. If you're new here, let me give you all the church announcements. If you're new here, the goal on this budget is to get down to a zero-based budget, as well as making everything that was outstanding a light green color. If it's all green, it's good to go. That means we all went through the bank account and it was all paid as it should have been. Carry on. All right, let's go. So let's get to a good place in our account. I think we're going to start somewhere over here because these are all where we were depositing over our sinking funds, right? And so here is $2 to Navy Federal. So let's find our $2 to Navy Federal. Here it is. So we can make that green. Hello. Focus, brain. Okay, so that $2 came out. Then we have $25 that we paid to Capital One. I'm pretty sure that was for our mobile, for our visible. $25 for our cell phone bill. Right there. And that can be green. And then we have $70.67. That's student loan. Y'all know how much I love to pay my student loan. Not. Okay. $767, $233.50 is the second half of our car payment. That is gonna go here. And then just so you know, y'all, when I break my girl JB's 2 cents, check her out, another great channel. JB's 2 cents had reminded me when I first had to get in the car payment because y'all, my car was paid off. Okay. Somebody hit me and now it's not paid off and I had a brand new car. But I was paying the full payment on or before the due date. But JB's 2 cents was like, break your payment into 2. That way you're kind of hitting a bit of the interest early. And so if you have a car payment and you're not splitting it into 2, and also I think you get if you pay it. Like if I was to take my extra check and make another payment, I'd be getting in another payment in the year. I don't do that, but you could do that as well. Just a little tip. Okay, let's get back to the video. Make the split payment, y'all, on the car if possible. $30 was deposited in and then taken back out for oh, my dad's birthday. So I took $30, moved $30 into birthday from rollovers. Why is there so much rollover already? Okay, $30. Let me leave a note for that one. $30 for daddy's birthday. We all put in money and we got him this he wanted money. And so we got him this cool little thing that you could pull the money out. My little sister found it. She's good at the gift giving. And so then I just sent that over to her company. And so that came back out. So technically in birthdays, I don't know I guess we'll add another 30 over here. Boop. plus 30. Really, technically, it came out of this 50, so it's kind of weird to do it like this. But okay, $30, and then we have mortgage came out, so 1183.62. You guys, it's about that time. It's about that time where mortgage is about to change again. Okay, and Lord, I'm asking because the insurance for the house and the car that's on the same thing, it went up again by like $12 or $13. I'm just like, bro, I need to look somewhere else or something because this is, but I don't feel like that's going to help. I feel like that's happening to everyone. Moving right along. So I have a deposit. What is this for? Oh, I deposited $38.15 in so I could pay my iPad. So, and I remember that was already in here from last check. So $38.15. iPad payment that came in from the Circle Challenge because that's where we had moved it, and we're gonna get here and in our other / iPad section, right here, we're gonna put in that $38. No, not $38. $38 was put in, but we paid $50.15. Girl, the calculator on another screen, y'all can't see. Hold on, please hold. I got it. It's right here. Okay, so 15 minus 38.15. We used $12. I just want to make sure I was saying it right. So what happened was we put $38.15 from the challenge that we were doing, and then we used $12 from the buffer that we had, and the buffer that we had was $45.08. Okay, so we're gonna pay $50.15 to the iPad. $50.15 to the iPad. We're going to leave ourselves a note because we love our notes. Because when we review these things at the end of the year, right now, pretty much, we need to know what money was spent on. iPad payments. We're almost done, y'all. We're at $199 on the iPad payments. If you haven't seen that iPad payoff transfer Tuesday from yesterday, check it out. Then we have $20. What's this for? Child. Oh, this is my girl. I sent money to my girl Tasha for her birthday. So basically, a rollover from birthdays. Tasha's B-Day. You know, sometimes I love doing this, but sometimes I don't be wanting to share when I send stuff like that because I'm like, I'm just giving to be given, not to be, let me take this out of here, not to be, recognition, If she wants to say it, that's cool. But, it's all good. Birthdays, plus 20. I feel like it should be in another place. But okay. And so now we have what are we doing? I didn't add that 20. I'm like, why is this off by that? Why are we off by $5.70? 30. Sorry, y'all. $30. $38.15. $20 for Tasha's birthday plus $20. Something seems weird. Like, why am I off by $3.08? Let us continue, and we shall remember that amount. That seems so weird. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I'm concerned that it has $3.08 in the buffer because how do we go from $41 to $3 when we had only used $12 of the $42 or whatever? We should have about $30 or something like that. So I messed something up. So there was this. Oh, I never added the 30 for Daddy's birthday in here either. Girl, I play too much. Or I added the 30 and changed it to 38. Boom. Okay, now as the balance looks right, 33.08. Because I'm like, baby, that ain't right. Okay, and so 20 and 20 in and 20 out. Then Comcast took their money out for $80. And honestly, I need to call them because this is on a year contract, and baby, I plan on staying on the contract because I don't want nobody moving my bill up and down. 27, where I missed something. $5 to Chevy. Okay, so I spent another $5. My girlfriend at work, my coworker, she gave me. I'm gonna put it on all the things. The $5. Stop. Let me stop and tell y'all because trying to do the same thing at the one time, or two things at one time ain't gonna work. $5 was sent to my coworker because she was leaving work early and me and my other coworker needed the injections for your meat. And they have the Tony Chachere's injections at Walmart. I've never tried them, but my one coworker really vouched for it. So I got one, she got one, but our friend picked it up for us. And then it was four something. So I gave her $5. And that is what this $5 is for. So it basically came out of the buffer. Hope that made sense, because really, okay. So let me put myself some notes. That was $5 for the Tony Sach. Nope, not even gonna do it. Tony sauce. That's it. Me trying to spell Sachere's is just a setup for failure. Okay, 2714. That is, it says capital one, but that is my. Let me make this green. That is my security fee. 27, where you at? Hey, where you at? 2714, that was on the card, and so I paid it back. And then $40. What now? Okay, so I added $40. Oh, that was yesterday. Girl, remember who you are. $40 was added. Oh, we added so much money. Plus $40. We added in $40 from self-care out of like my cash envelope from self-care, because I needed to find money from somewhere to do Transfer Tuesday. And since I have money in there, I just went to the Civis and I deposited the money, and then I came home and did my Transfer Tuesday. So that is $40 is actually going to end up being $45. So we took another $5 from the buffer. So we took $12 for the first Transfer Tuesday, $5 for the Sherry thing, and then another $5 to the Apple Card. So to then the next transaction that you see, what is that? Did y'all see that glitchy? What is that? Don't do that. $45 is going to the Apple iPad. We're going to go ahead and add $45. We paid $95, almost $100 this paycheck to the Apple Card. And let's just be nosy. And I can't get to the bottom. It's very annoying. It's very annoying to me. Oh, I guess I could use this. We said, we what? No, we didn't. We paid an extra one. Oh, I can't wait to tell y'all to the end of the month how much we spent on this iPad already in the last 2 checks. Come on, baby. Okay, sorry, moving right along. And we're almost done. So then this is our paycheck. And then last but not least, 4320 came out today, right on time. This is what I'd be waiting for, that last thing, which is the security equipment. And boom. And I think everything is green at this point. Go away. Why do you keep doing that? Do not ask me this question again. Yes, sir. Oh, all the things should be green. That did come out. That I don't know what I just pressed. I felt like I pressed the wrong thing. Okay, and then something is happening. Okay, guys, everything is green. Y'all see me go through the whole thing. Everything is green, and we have $23.08 left. Okay, and I think that makes sense because we originally had a buffer. I took it out. I think we originally had a buffer of $43.08, and then we used $12 for one iPad payment. We used $5 for another iPad payment, and then we used $5 to give the Sherry, and leaving us with 20. Okay, we must have had a little bit more, but okay, y'all know basically 2308. I don't want to go all the way back to figure out what we actually. Hold on. No, I'm not trying to do it. I'm not trying to figure it out. Are we gonna do that? No. Do we want to try to figure it out? No. We're not gonna try to figure it out right now. We're not gonna try to figure it out. Random squirrel thoughts. Okay. So at 2308. Y'all know initially where my brain is at. We want to send this $23.08 over to the Circle Challenge. But then I don't. Because I also know that this next check, all the things I thought I was going to do with it, I don't know if I can do it. But since I am determined, I really just want to pay this iPad off, I'm going to go ahead and send $23.08 over to the iPad challenge. So $23, we're going to put here, $23.08 is going to Circle Challenge for the iPad. And If we do that, we should have exactly what the check is, what the check came in as. So we're going to move from Tara's major keys to the circle challenge. What, baby? Where are we at? Circle? No. Excuse me. 2308. Circle challenge. Transfer. Success. You're annoying. Success with that. And so it says that we have 157238 left, and our check was for 1573. Well, it's 157328, 157238. So they both match, which means we got to a zero-based budget. We know exactly what we have in the bank. And weirdly enough, I budgeted exactly that amount. Whenever does that happen? However, all of this is a mess because now I have a credit card bill, you guys. And if you know, like I know, I'm weird. Like I need my credit card bill paid. And so all the things that I planned for my magic check are going to have to be completely rearranged. So there's probably going to be a video in here where we just throw it in the garbage and start again and figure out what we're really going to do with this money because I need to pay down the credit cards. Yeah. But first, I'm going to have to track my expenses just to see what I can pay out of my sinking funds and all that, and then see what's actually left on these cords. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you made it this far and you enjoyed watching my closeout, if you enjoyed this tracker or the spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, it is on sale in my Ko-Fi shop. I'm just saying Ko-Fi at this point, okay? The Ko-Fi shop. In the description bar, if you're interested in, I love it because it helps me break down each week. It does come also with a monthly, a weekly, and a bi-weekly spreadsheet. I don't know how you guys figure it out just looking at the month, but my ADHD brain does not work like that. That's self-proclaimed. I feel like I have some form of it, but it's like I need to see what each dollar amount in each month is, and the way this is set up that I work. That's the way I set it up for myself because that's the way it works for me. Anyway, if you made this far and you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, it is always faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, ever, and ever, and ever, and ever. Okay? So have a blessed, wonderful day. Bye. Jazzy hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye. That looks so whack heart. Oh my gosh. Don't ever do it again, Tara.